Today I'm going to teach you how to use a Wix website to create your own site, and also you can change the domain name to your own name, and after you go into the website, how to set up the graphic and how to design your web page. So before we start it, I just want to walk you through how to sign in the Wix site. And I would just do the Google, for example. If you're new to the website, it will ask you how to set up your domain name first. And usually it will pop up the window to help you set up the domain name. But if it's not, you can actually set your domain name under the account setting. And right now we see our account name. So this account name is actually your domain name. So Wix will give you a free domain which has a Wix in your website. But if you want a website that does not have Wix in it, you can purchase it. But right now we're just talking about how to get your free website with the Wix name in it. So you can change the account name into your first name, last name. So for example, this is my portfolio, and my portfolio's website is my first name, last name, wixsite.com. So if you want to purchase it, I think which is $14 a year, and it will eliminate the wixsite.com. After we have our domain name, we can start it to create a new site. So it will ask you what kind of website you want to create. So it will give you some interesting templates so you can choose from. Since we're going to do a photography or portfolio, they're pretty much a similar thing. We will do the photography, for example, and it will give you a lot of interesting templates. Okay, so since we're going to do a video and photography on one site, I think I would just go for something classic. This one, for example. And you can do edit. So you don't actually need to worry if you did not find the perfect template, because you can actually edit every single detail using this editor. So yeah, that's fine. I think we would just start with how to put up a image or a set of image grid on the website. So on the left, you can see menus. This is where you can set your toolbar on the top. So for example, I will just rename this portfolio into our class name, Visual Storytelling. And then I can design a subpage for the visual storytelling. For example, I would do photography, and down. And then I will do, for example, documentary. And for example, maybe if you have interview, I'll put interview on there. Done. And maybe I'll only have 3 subsets for now. So I'll delete this one. Delete. And maybe I don't have clients, so I won't have this tab. I will delete this. Contact, home, about, and everything. Yeah, I think that's good to go for now. Alright, so we have Visual Storytelling tab on there, and we want to design a home page for Visual Storytelling. So I just click here. So for example, if I go into the Visual Storytelling's first page, and I think, maybe my first page needs a grid of photograph, or I need a slider. So I don't need this template anymore. So I just delete this, and I will insert a new grid into this thing. So on your left, there are a lot of templates you can choose from. Since we will have like a little gallery over here, so I'll go to the gallery. Maybe I like a slider on my front page. So I will choose this one, for example. Okay, since it's a little bit small over here and I want to have it bigger, I can just slide it over. You know, you can just slide it over and make it big. I want it centered, so I'll just put it here. Okay, so now I want to change my image. I will just click the template and change image. So for example, if I want to add a caption on it, I'll just do spring flower, for example. And of course, you can also add a title, just say summer, and it's done. Okay, so after you edit, you make some changes, you can actually preview the stuff you've done, and let's check the photo. Okay, so it seems my title and my caption of the photo also went on the photo, and if I click the slider, it will go into the next photo. So of course, when you are uploading the photo, make sure that you edit and insert your caption or topic on the photo. How to change, for example, the template that you choose? So right here, we've chose a slider, right? And I don't like it anymore. I want to change it to something else. So there is like a pen tool on your template, and it will allow you to change the template that you choose under the category. So I choose the gallery design. So see, I've got the grid design, not only the slider galleries. So for example, I want to choose the grid galleries. Let's see how it goes. So one good thing of changing your gallery design instead of delete everything and then insert a new one is that it will keep your original photo. For example, here the first photo that I added the caption, it is still there and I did not change anything. Of course, you can resize the grid. Alright, let's check the preview. It seems, okay, the grid template only shows your caption instead of your topic. So when you are doing your design, maybe think about that. And the last thing we want to learn is that how to insert a video. So for example, let's change this into a video site. And of course on your left, and let's choose the video section, and in here you can see you've got several options. If you want to upload the video from your computer or from your disk, maybe you can do the video upload option. But what if I've already uploaded my video onto the Vimeo or YouTube? I can maybe insert a link onto our website. So I will take the YouTube for example. It also works for Vimeo. I will resize this video window here. Okay, so after you click on the video, it will say there is an option saying change video, And then you can actually just copy your video link here, and then it will display your video over here. So for example, if I go to one of my YouTube video and I want to insert this video onto my website, I can just copy the link I've got, and then I will paste it over here, the video web address. And then it will show my video. And let's see if it can. And of course, you want to do the preview to check whether your video is playing or not. Of course, you want to add some captions underneath it, so you can actually do a text option. And for example, I will do a paragraph over here. Okay, and it's already showing. And I can add my caption for the video over here. I can also, make the size of the text bigger. You can choose everything over here. You can, bold it. You can do the italic. You can do everything. You can change the font. So yeah, and that's how you insert the video and do the caption. And I want to show my website, for example. So if you, for example, have not a lot of videos, I will just do under one page. I can do video and caption, video and caption. But what if you've got a lot of, videos or photographs? I would just do like a slider. I'll just do a slider. So for example, this is my news packages website. And since it has a lot of videos, I can just do, I would choose a template where it will get everything on there, but you can slide over to see everyone.